Greetings to all those watching this digital assembly presented by us, Class 12 Humanities stream. The theme of this digital assembly is bravery and courage. As the Vijay Divas Alliance Kargil Victory Celebration Day is right around the corner, here is Ayush Kumar to start our assembly with a beautiful thought about courage and devotion.
Good morning everyone. Today Ayush Kumar Singh is here to represent a thought on true soldiers. A true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him.
Encouraging the heroes of our nation, here is Pipasha Kurangna with a poem.
आंखों में आंसू देकर नीले आसमान में खो गए, आघात सहकर दुश्मन का वो वीर सदा के लिए सो गए। रोई है आज धरती, अंबर भी साथ में रोया है, आंसुओं से उन्होंने वीरों की शहादत को धोया है। सुप्रभात, आज मैं पिपाशा कुरंगा आप सबके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो। वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो, हाथ में ध्वजा रहे, बाल तल सजा रहे, ध्वज कभी झुके नहीं, दल कभी रुके नहीं। वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो। सामने पहाड़ हो, सिंह के दहाड़ हो, तुम निडर डरो नहीं, तुम निडर डटो नहीं। वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो। प्रातः हो या रात हो, संग हो न साथ हो, सूर्य से बड़े चलो, चंद्र से बड़े चलो। वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो। एक ध्वज के लिए, एक प्रण किए हुए, मातृभूमि के लिए, पितृभूमि के लिए। वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो। धन्यवाद।
To enlighten us with this special day's history and significance, Yuvraj Pajwa is here with a short speech.
Nation that cannot defend its borders is not a nation. Greeting for the days to everyone listening to me. Today I am Yuvraj Pajwa standing before you all to speak on the given topic. It is the Kargil Vijay Divas, which is celebrated after the successful Operation Vijay is celebrated in India on 26 July. On this date, India successfully took command of the high outposts which were earlier occupied by Pakistan. The war lasted for more than 60 days, ended with India regaining all the territories that were occupied by Pakistan and Kargil. On this day, the Prime Minister of India pays homage to all the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti India Gate. Functions are also organized all over the country to pay tribute to all the soldiers who sacrificed there today for our tomorrow. Our soldiers fight not because they hate what is in front of them, but because they love what they left behind. I personally believe that our flag is something more than just a piece of paper. It is a universal symbol of liberty and freedom. It do not move because the wind moves it. It moves with every last breath of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for it. We common people are busy appreciating all the singers, actors and all those fairy tale people and giving them respect, and while we are ignoring our militants, while we do not show our gratitude towards our militants, and that is totally wrong. We common people, we do not appreciate the things that actually needs appreciation. We do not appreciate and show the gratitude towards the things that actually deserve our gratitude. At the end, I will conclude by saying again a very happy Kargil Vijay Divas. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now, Jasmeet is here to give a vote of thanks.
Greetings for the day to all our lovely viewers. As all good things come to an end, we have also reached the end of our digital assembly. Today, I, Jasmeet Kaur of Class 12 Humanities from Humanity Public School, stand before you to express our heartfelt gratitude. On behalf of my class, I thank entire management of my school, Aruna sir, Aruna ma'am, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, for giving us the opportunity to express our feelings for our brave Indian soldiers. I also extend my sincere regards to the technical team of the school, especially Saidka ma'am. Last but not the least, Sumit ma'am, for her constant support and guidance. As we are in the learning process, we are bound to make mistakes, but I assure you, on behalf of my class, we are always open to suggestions, because this is how we learn. Learning by doing. Thank you Almighty. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Jagat.
At last, a few words of advice from Sudeepa ma'am.
Greetings for the day, dear audience. You have just witnessed the digital assembly of Class 12th Humanities from Amenity Public School, Rudhpur. The reason for choosing the theme was to salute our brave warriors who stand against all odds to protect our motherland. As we are celebrating the 20th year of Vijay Diwas and simultaneously we are fighting against a deadly pandemic, we need to show our patience and courage to overcome all odd situations which have shaken us all nowadays. The youth of the country are the building blocks. Their motivation needs to be maintained every time so that their positive energy could be channelized in the proper direction. So, this was a small effort from the side of my lovely students from Class 12th Humanities, Amenity Public School. I hope you all are going to bless them. I extend my sincere regards to the entire management of Amenity Public School for providing us this platform and opportunity to showcase our thoughts for the same. Arora sir, Arora ma'am, Principal ma'am, Vice Principal ma'am, Sumit ma'am for a special guidance and support and constantly helping me, and Sarika ma'am for technical support. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.